Welcome back to Explore Error. In today's video, I'll show you how to fix the iPhone overheating issue. So let's get started. First, close background apps. Swipe up from the bottom of the screen and pause in the middle. You will see all the apps that are open. Swipe up on the apps to close them. Next, turn off background app refresh. Apps updating in the background can make your phone warm. Open Settings, tap General, then select Background App Refresh. Turn it off or allow it only for important apps. Now, turn on Low Power Mode. Low Power Mode reduces system activity and can help cool the device. Go to Settings, tap Battery, and turn Low Power Mode on. You can also lower the screen brightness. Open Settings, tap Display and Brightness, and reduce the brightness slider. Another step is to update iOS. Go to Settings, tap General, and select Software Update. Install any available update. Finally, restart your iPhone. Press and hold the side button and the volume button together. Slide to power off, then turn the phone back on after a few seconds. This can help fix the iPhone overheating problem. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and hit the bell icon for more practical tips. Thanks for watching.